karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss bits, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes and terabytes. We will discuss how many bits in a byte, how many bytes in a kilobyte. So guys, this is a very basic topic of computer science, okay? So, and in this video we will also discuss how we can convert terabyte into bytes and so on. So guys, for the full video, all of you stay tuned. So guys, the first thing which comes is a bit. So what is a bit? Bit is a binary value which can either be 0 or it can be 1. Okay, so bit is a binary value which can have 0 or 1. Now you know computers, they work on binary number system. So binary means 2. The base of computer number system is base is 2. Okay, so what is a bit? So bit can represent either 0 or 1. 0 means there is no pulse or off. 1 means on or there is a pulse. Okay, you know computer is an electronic machine. It will work on pulses 0, 1, 0, 1 and so on. So 1 bit can represent either 0 or 1. So after bit, so this is the smallest unit. This is the smallest unit. After bit, we have something called as 4 bits. We have something called as 4 bits. We call it as 1 nibble. Okay, 4 bits is a nibble. Okay, so nibble mainly it is not used in the calculations, but still for your reference 4 bits is 1 nibble. Okay, so then we have 8 bits. 8 bits is how much? It is 1 byte. Now the computer memory is measured in byte. Why in byte? Byte is the smallest unit. Okay, byte is the smallest unit of memory which can have a address. Which can have an address. Now in computer memory we have lot of memory and each memory location has a address. Okay, at address the smallest unit which you can store is byte. Okay, so that's why computer memory is measured in bytes. Why? Because byte is the smallest unit of the memory which can have a address. So less than this, even if you want to store 1 bit or 4 nibble, it will take the space of 1 byte. It will take the space of 1 byte. Okay, so byte is the smallest unit which can have an address. Okay, so the smallest unit of computer memory, 1 byte with an address. Now guys, now the memory is measured as I told you in byte, and now from here other unit starts. Now coming to something called as kilobyte, coming to called as 1 KB. So 1 kilobyte is how much? Now to explain you this, let us talk about kilo. Now what is a kilo? In our real life we use kilos. 1 kilogram, 1 kilometer. So what is kilo? So 1 kilo is equal to 1000. 1 kilo is equal to 1000 in real life. In real life we use a decimal number system. The base of decimal number system is 10. So whatever units we use, their base is 10. So 1 kilo is equal to 10 raised to power 3. Now in computer the base is 2. So everything has to be power of 2. In real life everything is power of 10. 1 kilogram, 1 quintal, 10 power 2, 1 ton, 10 power 3 and so on. So in real life our base is decimal, that is 10. In computer our base is 2. Okay, now in computer what will be 1 kilo? The kilo has to be power of 2. So if we go 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16 and so on, we keep on going. 2 power 9, 5, 1, 12, 2 power 10, 1, 0, 2, 4. Now, since it is power of 2, it is not, base is 2, it is not a decimal. So the closest thing to kilo is 1024. The closest thing to kilo is 1024. In real life, kilo is 1000, but because the number system is decimal, but in computers the kilo becomes 1024 because in computers the base is 2 because of binary number system. So now coming to 1 kilobyte. So what is 1 kilobyte? 1 kilobyte is 1024 bytes. I will write it here. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay. And what is in power of 2? 2 power 10. 2 power 10. As I told you, 2 power 8, 256, 2 power 9, 512, and 2 power 10 is 1024. Okay. Now then comes megabyte. Then comes 1 megabyte, the next unit. 1 megabyte again is 1024 kilobytes. Is 1024 kilobyte. Now guys, now what is 1024? 1024 you know is 2 power 10. And what is 1 kilobyte? 1 kilobyte is also what? 2 power 10. Okay, so 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 gives you how much? 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 gives you 2 power 20. It gives you 2 power 20. 1024 is 2 power 10. Kilobyte is also 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 you get 2 power 20. So 1 megabyte is 2 power 20 bytes. Then comes 1 after megabyte, what we have? Gigabyte. Now what is 1 gigabyte? Again it is 1024 MB. Now what is 1024 again? 1024 again is 2 power 10. Now what is MB? MB from here you take is 2 power 20, and what we get? 2 power 30. So how many bytes in 1 gigabyte? 2 power 30 bytes. If we calculate too much bytes, so this is easy scientific notation, isn't it? 2 power 10, 2 power 30, and so on. Then comes 1 TB. 1 TB is 1024 GB. Now gigabyte is how much? 1024 is how much? 2 power 10. Gigabyte is how much? 2 power 30. So 1 terabyte is how much? 2 power 40, and so on, and so on. So guys, I hope you understand it. Now let us do a quick revision. Smallest unit in the computer memory which can have an address is 1 byte. So 1 byte, how many bits are there? 8 bits. So all the computer memory is measured in bytes because bytes can be addressed. Okay, anything less than a byte can be stored in the memory, but it will take the space of whole byte. It will take the space of whole 8 bits. Okay, so then comes kilobyte. So in computer, kilobyte is 1024 byte. So why it is 1024? It is 1024 because in computer the decimal number system is not used. We use binary number system. Sorry about that. We use binary number of system. So everything in the computer has to be power of 2, and 2 power 10 gives us 1024. That is a kilo. It is the closest number which can be close to 1000. 2 power 10. So then 1 megabyte. So megabyte is equal to 1024 kb. Now 1024 is 2 power 10. Kilobyte is 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 into 2 power gives you 2 power 20. Then 1 gigabyte. Now what is gigabyte? Again 1024 MB. Now what is 1024? 2 power 10. What is MB? MB is 2 power 20. So 2 power 10 into 2 power 20 gives you 2 power 30. And so on, we calculated the terabyte. As you keep on going further, this 2 power of 2 will be incremented by 10. Okay, so 2 power 40, 2 power 50, 2 power 60, and you can keep on going. Okay, now suppose guys they ask you a question. Convert 5.2 MB into bytes. Convert. Now what is 5.2? You write 5.2. What is MB? MB is 2 power 20. So how many bytes are there? 5.2 into 2 power 20 bytes. So if you have a calculator, you can do the calculation if you want exact number of bytes. Otherwise you leave it like this. If they say 1.7 GB converted to bytes, so then what you get? 1.7 into gigabyte is how much? 2 power 30 bytes, and so on. So guys, I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, if you cannot understand it in one time, so watch this video 2 times. It will make it clear. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more lectures on topics of information technology and computer science. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.